Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So start by opening up your Phantom Wallet and make sure that you have signed in with your right account. You can click on it and make sure that it is your account in which you want to do this process. Now there are two methods. The first and the easiest method is the inbuilt swap option. Simply click on Swap option here, and you can simply select your USDT, and then in the Receive option, you just need to search for your Solana. Now, if you want to go with some third-party swap exchange, you can simply click on Browser on the bottom right, and you can go with Jupiter or Radium. Now, in my opinion, Jupiter is much better, so I will simply click on it, and you will be on this page. Here, in the Your Selling option, select your USDT, and then you just need to select your Solana in Buying option, just like so. Make sure that it is the right address by confirming it and clicking on it, which is this one right here. Now, once you're confirmed, you just need to enter the amount, how much you want to spend, and simply make sure to select your slippage settings. So slippage refers to the deviation between the expected and actual execution prices of a trade. It occurs when the bid or ask spread changes between the time a market order is requested and when it is executed by an exchange or other market makers. So there are furthermore categories like positive slippage, no slippage, and negative slippage to minimize the slippage. You need to consider placing limit order instead of market orders and invest in a calm and liquid market. Avoid executing trades late in a day as well. Now you can simply select any one of these. So you just need to confirm the transaction and you will going to receive your Solana in your wallet. So that's basically how you can swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.